it's time for a very exciting topic, chatbots. Now, I want to put it into a little context, okay, as we go ahead and open up a new Colab notebook. So, with basic Python, there's only so much that we can do. But we can leverage basic tools to actually make chatbots that are fun and interesting. And that's the goal here. So let's call this notebook chatbots. And let's start with the basic idea. How about a welcome bot? Okay, so we're going to do this in terms of functions. And again, we're going to keep it relatively simple to use the basic tools, and you'll get the main ideas that you can use to then create things that are more expansive and interesting. So start with the welcome bot. So write a function, let's call it welcome bot. And these are not going to have input because not, function inputs, because we're going to be using the input function. Okay, so here in fact is the question. The question is, let's start by asking for somebody's name. Name equals input. What is your name? All right, so the user is going to respond, and we're going to do something with that. Okay, so instead of returning, by the way, because we're going to be doing a lot of lines coming up, you can actually continue to print. And so closing it, you can close with a print statement. Print, do the F string. It is nice. See, I even refrain from wanting to use the apostrophes, right? Because it's instead of it is, but I use what is your name there. It is nice as, how about fabulous? There we go. It's fabulous to meet you. Name. Okay, so that's a simple welcome bot. Let's go ahead and run it and then try it. Okay, recall that doesn't actually run it, that's defining the function. To run it, you've got to call it. There, Python shows it. You can also press tab, by the way, to get that. And then you need the parentheses. Shift enter. What is your name? I'll go with my teaching name today, Mr. Wade. It's fabulous to meet you, Mr. Wade. Pretty cool, huh? So one simple thing that you can do to make this a little better is, for me, I think it's important to try to make code clean, and I think it's cleaner if, you see how this Mr. Wade is kind of jumbled up in the name, if we do a new line. So what we can do is actually within the string, we can do the \n to create a new line, okay? Now, I made a change, I've got to run the cell again. So let's do 2 shift enters. See how it's underneath now, it just looks better. Mr. Wade, it's fabulous to meet you, Mr. Wade. And that's how you do a little cool welcome bot.